जैसा कि आज हमारा सत्र 2023 और 24 का वो एनुअल रिजल्ट है वो आपको किया जा रहा है। इस अवसर पर हम बच्चों को जो है उनका जो प्राइज है, उनका जो रिजल्ट है, जो क्लास में पोजीशन बनाने में सफल हुए हैं, तो उन बच्चों को
सत्र 2023-24 समापन की ओर है। आज समापन का अंतिम दिन है और आपका परीक्षा फल घोषित हो रहा है। आप लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की, अच्छा काम किया और बहुत बढ़िया आप लोगों का परीक्षा फल आया। इसके लिए आप लोग सब धन्यवाद के पात्र हैं। बहुत मेहनत की, टीचर्स का कहना माना और अच्छा काम किया है। देखो बच्चों, जैसा कि सर ने सारी बातें बता दी हैं, ये एक प्रकार से ट्रायंगल फाइट है जो हम कर रहे हैं। इसमें तीनों ओर से मेहनत करनी है। एक तो हमारे पेरेंट्स भी देख रेख करें, जागरूक रहें, दूसरी ओर से बच्चे
आगे के लिए मैं वंदना मैम को आगे आमंत्रित करता हूँ कि वो बच्चों को क्लास वाइज जो है प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सर के माध्यम से
एंड डिजर्व द राइट टू ट्विंकल, मतलब कि हर कोई एक बच्चा एक तारे की तरह और हर किसी को चमकने का अधिकार है। एज यू ऑल नो दैट टुडे इज प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे व्हिच इज प्राउड, स्पेशल and memorable and most awaited event for every institution as well for every student. Awards and prizes recognize students' ability and efforts and lift their self-confidence. Now it is time to appreciate the talents of our shining stars. To appreciate the prizes, I would request our manager sir to give them their awards. I am starting from the nursery primary classes. First, I will give the awards to those students who have got first, second and third position in their classes and for discipline and neatness and cleanliness also. And rest of the certificates for extracurricular activities we will give after that. Now, I am starting from the class nursery. Now, from class nursery, first prize goes to Devang Singh. Devang Singh, 98.25%, and he has got first position. Class nursery to take their prizes. आपकी क्लैपिंग की भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है क्योंकि बच्चे ने बहुत from class nursery, second prize goes to Arjit Dhami, 96.91%, second position. Now from class third. Now there are two more prizes for discipline and neatness and cleanliness. For discipline from class nursery, prize goes to Vikrant. For discipline, class nursery Vikrant, and for neatness and cleanliness, Charu Pawar for neatness and cleanliness. Now next classes, class LKG, first prize goes to Robin Vishwakarma, 91%. Now from class LKG, second prize goes to Amanta Tamta, 91.3%. And from class LKG, third prize goes to Ranina Vishwakarma, 91%. Class UKG, first prize goes to Bhumika Vishwakarma, 96.9%. UKG, first prize Bhumika. Now from class UKG, third prize goes to Shivansh Kohli, 94.8%. Now from class LKG. From class LKG, prize for discipline goes to Anshik Bish. Anshik Bish from class LKG. Prize for discipline. Clapping करिए बेटा आप लोग इनके लिए. Now from class LKG for neatness and cleanliness prize goes to Ashmita Mahal. Ashmita Mahal. From class UKG discipline prize goes to Ganesh Singh Pawar. Class UKG prize. Now for neatness and cleanliness from class UKG prize goes to Gaurav Singh Garal. जो बच्चे आए नहीं होंगे तो उनके क्लास टीचर उनके जो प्राइजेस है वो कलेक्ट कर लें. Now from class first prize goes to Raj Nandini Kumari, 97.8%. From class first, second prize goes to Giri, 94%. Class first, Krishna Giri, 94%. Second prize. बेटा उन्हें अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए आप प्लीज जोर से क्लैपिंग करिए जबकि उन्हें प्राइज मिले. Now from class first, third prize goes to Yash Tamta, 93%. Now from class first, discipline prize goes to Kavanjali Bisht. And from class third, neatness and cleanliness prize goes to Garima. From class second, first prize goes to Pulkit Pandey, 99.2%. From class second prize goes to Pankaj Rana, 97.3%. Pankaj Rana from class second position. बेटा क्लैपिंग जरूर है इनके लिए क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया. नाउ फ्रॉम क्लास सेकेंड, थर्ड प्राइज गोज टू अंजलि गड़कोटी, 95.6%. Now from class second, discipline prize goes to Priya Kumari. Priya Kumari, discipline prize from class second. From class second, neatness and cleanliness prize goes to Karthik Bisht. Now next class is class third. From class third, first position goes to Abhinandan Kumar, 99.3%.
बेटा यहाँ देख, यहाँ देख.
Now from class third, second position goes to Anshika Agrahari, 97.2%. From class third position goes to Anshik Dhami, 94.1%. From class third, discipline prize goes to Abhash.
आवाज यहाँ देख.
And from class third, neatness and cleanliness prize goes to Rihan Bish. First position from class 4 goes to Naman Ojha, 98.1%. And from class 4, second position goes to Mayank Joshi, 97.1%. And third position from class 4 goes to Ravindra Singh Dhami, 95.6%. From class 4, display prize goes to Kashi Doshi. And from International Junior, Naman Doshi.
बेटे यहाँ देख
From class 5, first prize goes to Kailash Kumar, 98.2%. From class 6, second position goes to Yash Kumar, 97.9%. From class 5, third position goes to Kashish Kumari, 97%. From class 5, discipline prize goes to Samriddhi Joshi. Samriddhi Joshi for discipline. From class 5th, neatness and cleanliness prize goes to Ankit Rana. Ankita Rana. Neatness and cleanliness, Ankita Rana from class 5th. Now it's time for junior classes. Now from class 6, first prize goes to Kiran Joshi, 95%. Class 6, first prize Kiran Joshi, 95%. Is she present? Class 6, class teacher. Now from class 6, second prize goes to Divya, 94.2%. Divya, second position from class 6, 94.2%. Now from class 6, third position goes to Kusum Bhatt, 93.9%. From class 6, discipline prize goes to Avinash Shrikant Yadav. And from class 6, neatness and cleanliness prize goes to Alia. Now from class 7, first prize goes to Manisha, 99.8%. Manisha Dhami from class 7, first position, 99.8%. From 7th class, second position goes to Sandhya, 97.6%. And from class 7, third prize goes to Anush, 97.5%.
अनुष मिश्रा
Now, from class 8. From class 8, first position goes to Mayank Bhatt, 99.9%. Now from class 8, second position goes to Divansh Joshi, 99.3%. From class 8, third position goes to Udit Joshi, 99.1%. Now from class 8, discipline prize goes to Harsham Joshi. Harsham Joshi for discipline in the class 8. Now from class 8, neatness and cleanliness prize goes to Namrata Bhatt. Neatness and cleanliness, Namrata Bhatt. Now it's time for senior classes. From class 9, first position goes to Harshita Pandey, 90.6%.
हर्षिता यहाँ देखो।
From class 9, second position goes to Aditya Kumar, 81.1%. Aditya Kumar, second position in 9th class. And from class 9, third position goes to Sagar Kumar, 80.5%. Sagar Kumar, third position in 9th class. Now from class 9, discipline prize goes to Bhumika Dhadrial. And for neatness and cleanliness, Dipanshi. From class 11, first prize goes to Priyanshi Joshi, 86.5%. Priyanshi Joshi, first position in class 11. Now from class 11, Bhumi Verma got second position, 82.7%. Bhumi Verma, 82.7%. And from class 11, third position goes to Namrata Joshi, 82.4%. Class 11, Namrata Joshi. Now from class 11, discipline prize goes to Manisha Meena. Now from class 11, neatness and cleanliness prize goes to Mukesh Dhami.